Hello student, let's start operating system. First chapter, introduction of a software. Software is a set of instruction, data or programs used to the operate computers and execute specific tasks. It is opposite of hardware, which describe the physical aspect of a computer. Software is a generic term we use to refer the application, script and programs that runs on the device. It can be throw off as a variable part of computers, while the hardware is a invariable parts. It is mainly two category of software. First one is application software, and second one is the system software. Other types of software including the programming softwares, which is provide the programming tools. Software developers need to the middleware, which is side between the systems and softwares, system software and application software, and driver software, which is operates computer devices and peripherals. Usually, the classified software is specifically divided into the two types: system software and application software. System software is necessary to manage computer resources and support to the execution application performers, programmers. Software like to the operating systems, compiler, editors, and drivers. It is a example of a system software. And application software is the software is designed for fulfill the user requirement for interacting with the user directly. Its function is limited and not customized as per user changing requirement. It classified into the two major categories: is generic or customized. Generic software is a software that open to all, and we have like the same all the of the its users. Next, why operating system is the main component in system software. An operating system is the most important software that runs on computer. It manages to all computers memory and processes as well as the all of its software and hardware. It also allows to the communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak computer languages. Without an operating system, is a computer is useless. What is process? Next topic is process. Process is a program in execution. Process is an active entity which is running on an operating system. It's called as a process. Features of process. A process contains the limited lifespan only when the process is begun execute. Processes are allocated systems resources, network ports, and file descriptions are two examples of the process. And then it is an active entity. Sorry, it is an active entity, and it is contain high resources. Next one is what is program? The program is a collection of instructions that are used to complete the specific tasks. These are known as the existing jobs in batch processing system, but tasks or programs is in real-time operating system. A program is classified as a passive. For instance, of a program, it is a executable files that has to add to be executed. Features of programs. A single user may execute the various programs. Operating system is responsible for the providing main memory for the storage of all program instructions. It is passive entity and it is simply to file content of a set of instructions that have to wait to be executed. It does not have a control block. Next, next one is operating system as a resource manager. An operating system acts as a resource manager by allocating the managing the computer's hardware and software resources, such as a memory store, the processing powers among to the various processes and programs running on the operating system. Multiplexing and space multiplexing are two techniques that operating systems use as a resource management and to efficiently allocate it to the manage system resources. Okay, next one. This is a simple structure of application system software. Application program, system program, and device driver and BIOS device driver. The single user operating system is usually divided into the two types: single user operating system and multi user operating system. Here, single user operating system discuss the topic in operating system. A single user operating system is the type of operating system developed and intent for use on computer or similar machines that uh, will have only single user at any time given. This type of operating system is typically used to the device like to the wireless phones or the and two-way uh, two-way message passing device. The operating system is responsible for handling many different tasks and it is typically one of the most important programs used on computer. Type of single user operating system is single user single taxing operating system. In single user tax operating system, only one user is permitted to the performing a single task at a time. Next one is this operating system advantages. This operating system is occupy less space in memory and it is cost effective. This operating system is designing especially wireless phones as well as a two-way message passing. For example, of a single user, it is MS-DOS or uh, PAM operating systems, etc. Single user multitasking operating system. This is the second type of single user operating system. Here, single user multitasking operating system is developed specially for one user, but this single user can perform the multiple tasks simultaneously. This is the advantages of a multitasking operating system. They are time saving. First one is the saving and high productivity and less time frame. Less memory is used for the performing multiple tasks. Handheld computers. Handheld computers are also known as the personal digital assistants are a small portable devices that offer users to many of the same features of the capability of the desktop computers at a fraction in size. Here features of handheld operating system. It is work to the provided real-time operating system. There is a directly used to the interrupt input and output devices is flexible and configurable. Types of handheld operating system is Palm operating system, Symbian's operating system, Linux operating system, Windows and Android. Thank you.